Hey guys, and welcome to Divi Perfect. So I'm just going to walk you through adding a webhook for the Divi Review Hub. So what you need to do is you need to open Slack in a new tab, or you can use your app. You're then going to head over to Admin, and you're going to click on Apps and Workflows. From there, you can see I already have a demo one installed right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new one. So I'm going to click on Build on the top right-hand side of my screen. You can see it right here next to the Slack button. And I'm just going to click on Create New App. I'm going to say From Scratch. And I'm just going to give this a name. So I'm just going to call it Divi Perfect Review Hub. And I'm just going to click on my workspace. I'm just going to choose my Divi Perfect one. I'm going to click on Create App. From there, you'll see this page here. So I am going to go ahead and delete this as soon as I'm done. So yeah, please don't copy any of the information. From there, you're going to go to incoming webhooks. And you can see here active incoming webhooks. So I'm going to turn it on. And then from there, I am just going to click add new webhook. And I'm just going to search for channel. So I'm just going to do it to my new channel, but you can create any one of them. So I'm just going to go new channel here. And perfect. From there, you're just going to copy it and you're just going to paste it right into here. You're going to save settings, and then to just send a little test, you're just going to click on the test option right here. And you can see here, it's now directly sending messages to your new channel. And that's it. Let me know if you guys have any trouble trying to do this, and I'll be more than happy to help.